Hi, are you having trouble with your ads and don't know what could be wrong or what needs changed? My name is Paula Ram, and I'm going to help you answer those questions in this video. I got a question recently from someone who is trying out proximity marketing or beacon marketing. There's different names for it. I actually myself just heard about it within the past month. It's very new technology, and the verdict is out still whether it's a good thing or bad thing. And I'm still mulling that over, trying to think is this good or bad. It could be the hottest, latest, best thing in marketing, or it could just turn people off or make them suspicious. I don't know. It could go either way, as any new thing in marketing does. With proximity marketing, you send out this ad. Okay, now this is where principles for advertising work no matter where you're advertising. So whether you are advertising on Facebook or proximity marketing or Pinterest or wherever it is you are, these are the four things you want to look for in your ad to evaluate them. Okay, so the first one would be the copy. What have you written there? If you saw your ad, is the text written intriguing enough for you to click on it? Or is it just seems salesy? Does it just seem like an ad? Just salesy? Would you click on it? Your copy needs to have something to draw the person in. Maybe hit their pain point, hit why they need your product. Or maybe you're just giving them related valuable tips on a related issue to something they're struggling with or having a problem with. So maybe you sell like a health supplement. So maybe you would want to have copy that would help them with a health issue. So it's not really product related. You're not like saying buy my product, but you are giving valuable information about something that's related, a health issue, a health solution. Okay, so that they're going to want to click on that then and find out more. You might give them a little bit of help in the ad or a taste of what they'll get if they click on that. And then that would click and they would go to a blog post. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Well, that's okay. That was my number 4, but I'll make it number 2. Number 2 would be the destination. Where are you sending them? Are you sending them just to a sales page, to your website, to a Facebook page? There's different places you can send them. Some people send them to a link tree that has many links. So my suggestion is, so that's one of the things, one of the variables you need to look at. Where are you sending them to? And you just put yourself in that person's shoes. If you were sent there, if you clicked and you went there, would you like where you were? Would you think, oh, this is a great place. This is full of great value. So is it a blog post? And that's what I normally recommend, to send people to a blog post with value, filled with value that's actually going to help your potential customer. And back to the health supplement, I think things are falling on my face and this things will help your customer. So that health supplement, okay, so it would go to a blog post like, top 10 ways to lose weight or something like that. And it would go to a blog post about the top 10 ways to lose weight. And then maybe one of the solutions would be your product. Okay, so you've given them value. So even if they don't buy your product, they've just received value from you and they're thankful and they don't feel like they've just been sold to, right? Just someone trying to get their money. Someone's actually trying to help them. Okay, so that is the destination. Where are you sending them? First one's the copy. What have you written? The second one's a destination. Where are you sending them to? The third one is your photo or your graphic in your ad. Take a look at that. Is that make sure it's beautiful. Make sure it's clickable. Make sure it's maybe raise curiosity or someone wants to learn more. Okay, so that's, you don't want something that's just gonna like blend in the news feed if it's on Facebook, for example. Or something that does look salesy, like an ad. People just tune those out anymore and they'll just, disregard it. Okay, so you don't want it to look like an ad. You want it to look like it's something of value or beauty or something that they will click on, okay? The fourth thing is Audience. If you are targeting a specific audience, and like on Facebook, you can do that. You target different audiences. So one reason your ad might not be working is that you're targeting the wrong audience, the people who you thought might be interested in your product, but really they're not the right audience for your product after all. So then change that, try a different audience. If you're doing proximity marketing, try a different location. Okay, so those are the 4 things. And if you include a photo of yourself, make sure it's inviting and friendly, and like think, oh, this is someone I can be friends with. This is someone I know I can. Well, you don't know them; they don't know you yet, but you want them to like you and start trusting you. You want to build that relationship, but just for the first impression, what first impression are you giving? Okay, so copy your photo, your audience, and your destination. Check those 4 variables and maybe change just one at a time. Change one variable, check your results, then change a second variable, check your results, so that you know if you're changing everything, if you're changing 3 variables and you start getting lots better results, you won't know which thing actually helped, or one of them might have actually hurt, but you don't know because you didn't test each variable individually. Okay, so each variable test by itself and try to improve each one, so then overall your ad, no matter where it is, can be a better performing ad for you, and hopefully bring you more sales and customers and team members. So if you have any questions, post them below, and here's to great ads. All right, bye guys.